Ayo, what's going on, everybody on YouTube? This is, of course, Mark checking in once again. Coming at you guys with another video, man. First things first, I hope all of my homies out there are having a blessed day. So, I want to give a shout out to who requested this video, man. Hold up. Shout out to A Woodward 7899. Okay, so he wanted me to react to Layzie Bone, Thug by Nature. Now, I've only reacted to, I believe, one Layzie Bone song on my channel. Is it only one? I'm pretty sure it's only one. I feel like I did something else, but I reacted to The Bag. Right, it was The Bag. I can't even remember, but shout out to you, bro. Thank you for the request. As always, if you guys have a request, man, make sure to leave it down in the comments below. Never heard of the song, so let's get straight into it, bro. Been doing a lot of Bone Thugs members reactions recently. I'm having a brain fart right now. But, oh, by the way, you guys should check out, if you're a fan of Crazy Bone, make sure to go check out the Crazy Melodies reaction that I just did. That was a super fire album. And let's get straight into it, man. Enough talking. I got my speaker. Hopefully it sounds good.
Man, you don't just wake up one morning and just say you dug. That shit is unrealistic, man. Be real with the game. That shit got to run through your blood, nigga. I'm contemplating murder on the government. Desperado be the model. Hard shit be hard to swallow. Be ready for war if you follow the 10. 1, 2, 3, 4. So just get your paper, nigga. You die if you a hater. Take it from a thug by nature, my nature, nigga. Cause I'm a guy that keep the hammer tugging up, tugging, living up like a thug. Cause I'm a thug, I'm guy that keep thugging, was tugging up, tugging, living up like a thug. Cause I'm a thug, I'm guy that keep thugging, was tugging up, tugging, living up like a thug. 1, 2, 3, 4. Number one, when you get your paper, don't go around tricking it off on these hoes. I be in the thug, ain't nothing easy. Now when you rolling in the bins, everybody be out for your ends. You really don't know who the fuck your friends. And paranoia might overrule you, but look to the future. Don't blink. Look away, no shit. My shit, nigga, ended up dead or in the clip. And it take a raw dog, motherfucker, stay on top of the pile. Now I got style and you got style, but it's the way gon' pull you down. Not me, I'm blowing lines and seeing clouds. That's how I do it. Picture me rolling into a city near you and staying true to it. If you see me in the video, I know you see me at the bar. See my diamonds just been shining. I'm a star, but nigga, my fault, I'm just a thug. Mixing sharper than a razor. Where you wanna go, little ain't gon' take it. I'm a thug by nature, by nature. Let's do this. Cause I'm a thug by nature. Living up like a thug. Cause I'm a thug by nature. Was thugging up by nature. Living up like a thug. Cause I'm a thug by nature. Was thugging up by nature. Living up like a thug. Cause I'm a thug by nature. Was thugging up by nature. Living up like a thug. Roll, come and roll with me as I take you on the journey through my hood, motherfucker. You need a police sirens blazing after these niggas that paper chasing, throwing house parties in the basement. I'm just doing it in the waste, that nigga get down and dirty quickly. But if you wanna commit that crime, one from my nigga, we had to grind, we had to get down for a crime. Spend too much stated about money, murdering bitches to say the less. You know I know it ain't good distress. These wicked streets with a test for all niggas, my niggas, y'all niggas, be ready to ball niggas. Ready for warfare when we come niggas, talking about them raw niggas. Throw your fist up, take a chance, niggas that's hustling out here getting it. What you trying to do, I done did it. Are you trying to live, I done lived it. I don't even fucking around with major moves. Niggas done heard the stories. If your shit ain't tight, then I'll fake you fools. You losing and get the glory. Straight them down, nigga. Run for round, we can make this happen. Nigga be snapping, guaranteed satisfaction. Bring it on under with action. Nigga, this here is what the game made me. With Layzie, I'm just a thug. Millennium Dusters, nigga. Yeah, lazy bone, nigga. Little light here, ill burn. Smoke it up, smoke it up, smoke it up, smoke it up, nigga. Yeah. Cause I'm a thug out motherfucker all the time.
Alright, man, so that was Stuck by Nature by Lazy Bone. I realized I think I've only done one Lazy Bone on this channel. One Lazy Bone song on the channel, but that was Busy Bone. I totally mixed them up. The song was okay. I'm gonna be honest, like, it didn't really blow me away. Subject matter wise, it didn't really move me like that, right? It's just really talking about drugs and, like, you know, like, oh, I'm gonna kill you if you do this or that. Like, I'm gonna be honest with you guys, bro. If the song is okay to me, it's just okay to me. If it's like, you know, what may sound good to you may sound okay with me. But I like the beat. The flow was there. You know, when you listen to, I almost said Crazy Bone, but when you listen to Bone Thugs, the flow is always there. This is more like gangster rap. I don't mind it, but yeah, it was just okay to me. Shout out to Lazy Bone. I'm not trying to hate, not trying to disrespect, but I'm gonna keep it real with you guys, dude. Like, the song was just okay to me. Hook is there. Hook is catchy. But yeah, that's it for today's video, man. Hope you guys enjoyed. As always, if you guys got any requests, make sure to leave it down in the comments below. Almost stuttered right there, but yeah, man, I'm gonna catch you guys on the next one.